Hi, I would like to introduce you to my Discord trading platform. On my Discord trading platform, I post selective and consistently accurate trading signals. The trading signals are generated using systems that I've developed and perfected in my now close on 40 years trading experience. Also within my Discord platform, I've got educational channels and I've got a VIP chat channel. The educational channels are again a great place from which you can develop your trading skills, and the VIP chat channels are a great place from where you can not only talk to me and ask me questions, but also to fellow members. Now in the description box below this video there is a link, and in that link, if you click it, you will be able to join my Discord trading service and platform free for 14 days. Totally free for 14 days. During those 14 days, you will clearly see the benefits of being part of such a trading community. I look forward to seeing you in the other end. Thank you.